Hi! In this video, I am going to show you one of the Brushmarker Pro color palettes, Skin Colors. This palette will work great for portraits. What you can see right now on the screen is the color chart together with the names of individual colors. The Skin Colors palette is a set of matching colors which beautifully mix with a blender or a water brush. Please remember that the end result will be visible only after the paint has dried off, similarly to watercolor techniques. This color palette has many more uses apart from portraits. This time we are going to make bookmarks using foil and paper tape. Cover the surface of the foil with ink. Make sure that the area matches the size of the bookmark. Moisten the paper with water and stamp it with ink. Press the foil harder to get a stronger mix of colors. Now wait until it completely dries out. When the paper dries out, remove the paper tape from the bookmarks. If you have any questions, please ask away in the comments. See you in the upcoming video tutorials on our channel.